Then we're going to cover the base changing property. So for example, if I give you that, okay, 9 squared, what power of 3 is that? You will know that it's 3 to the power 4 because you are already performing this base changing here. Because you know that this 3, okay, this 9 can be rewritten as 3 squared, so you know it's 3 to the power 4 here. So we can do base changing in log form as well. So how do we do that? There is this base changing property saying if you have something in this form, okay, let me say, okay, let's say something like this, okay, the original base is A, now you want to change this to some other bases, say base B, then what you need to do is just to do a little conversion by dividing by log A base B. It will do this job for you automatically, okay? I know some of you probably learned from a tutor that there's like a way to think of it. So it's up to you. As long as it is correct, you can use any method. All right, so let's see how it works here. For example, I want to change a base 9 to base 3. Then I will just change that is equal to, I want to change now to base 3. So I'm going to write a small letter 3, a small number 3 there. And then log 9 base 3 is basically 2. So it is log x base 3, which is the numerator, which didn't change, over 2. So it's basically half of where we started off, okay? So you see that this power 2 is basically half of that in 3, okay? But of course, I'm not asking you to have to relate between these powers in exponential form and in the log form. I think if you know how to apply this base changing property to change an expression to a designated base, then it is good enough. You can find more of these questions in exercise 8A as well. Some of the questions in exercise 8A question 8, 18 and 19 would require base changing. You can spot them very easily because you can see from one log term to another, they have different bases. Then you will probably have to apply this base changing formula to convert them to the same base so that you can use the log properties. The log properties only work for the same basis of log.